Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 4 of my favorite recipes using rotisserie chicken. I love rotisserie chicken. It is so easy and convenient and delicious. So I'm going to share with you, I have a chicken lasagna, I have some rotisserie chicken creamy stuffed peppers, I have a rotisserie chicken mason jar salad, and some rotisserie chicken salad lettuce cups. So these are all so good. Let me share them with you. The first one I have is the chicken lasagna. So I have this oven ready lasagna. It is so easy. You do not have to pre-cook the noodles. I have cream of mushroom. I have pimentos, diced pimentos, and sliced black olives. So a can of those. So 2 cream of chickens. You can do a cream of chicken and a cream of mushroom if you'd like. I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. I have my rotisserie chicken already shredded up, white onion, and some sour cream. And this is so good. I absolutely love this lasagna. Totally different than like a regular like ground beef lasagna, but really, really good. So I'm just going to add all of it in, and then I'll add the chicken in, stir it all together, and then I'll layer the lasagna. My oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees. And so once this is all assembled, I'm going to cook it in the oven for about 30 minutes. You can definitely use regular lasagna noodles that you cook first, and so definitely like pre-cook them and have them ready to go. But I love these because they're so easy and it cooks with all of the moisture of the other ingredients. So I have my layer of noodles. I'm gonna do a layer of my chicken mixture. I'll do another layer of noodles, some more chicken, and then I will top this with some cheddar cheese on the top, and then bake this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. I love casseroles because it makes a big serving and I can portion it out into meals for basically the whole week. And so I love that. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love meal prepping and meal planning. So casseroles are really great for meal prepping because it makes a big batch. There's always leftovers, which I love. I just love portioning my leftovers into containers so that I don't have to cook every single night of the week, which is wonderful to me. So I'm going to finish assembling this chicken lasagna. I don't think it would truly be a casserole if it wasn't topped with cheese, right? But this is so good, definitely a good comfort food. So it is all done now and delicious. I'm gonna make some stuffed peppers. I love how versatile stuffed peppers are. You can put so many different things in stuffed peppers. So I'm gonna be doing a creamy chicken stuffed pepper for this one, and I have my rotisserie chicken as well. So many different ways to use rotisserie chicken. It's just so convenient, so quick and easy, and really yummy. I mean, you could definitely just eat rotisserie chicken plain, which we do sometimes, but I love using it for different recipes. It goes really great in so many things. So I have my peppers, and I am going to pre-cook my peppers. And I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm going to spread a little bit of olive oil on each one, and then I'm gonna cook these for about 20 minutes in the oven, and then I will put the filling in. I'll show you how I make the filling with the rotisserie chicken. So rotisserie chickens are sometimes a little messy, I feel like. So I like to cut it all up all at once if I'm only going to use like half of the rotisserie chicken. The rotisserie chickens from Costco are so big, which I absolutely love, and they're so inexpensive also, like $4.99 for a ginormous rotisserie chicken. But I like to just cut it up all at once and get it all shredded, so that I get all of the mess out of the way, because I definitely like use my hands a lot, pulling some of the meat out from kind of in between all the bones and the weird areas. So I definitely always just like cut it all up when I get it, so that that messy part is out of the way. All right, so I have some frozen spinach that I defrosted. I have cream cheese that I have let soften a little bit, and I have Parmesan cheese and garlic powder. So I'm going to mix all of this together, and this is such a yummy filling for the stuffed peppers. It's so creamy with the cream cheese and so much flavor with the rotisserie chicken and the Parmesan. So these are definitely one of my favorite. So the peppers cooked, and then I'm going to fill them, and I'm going to cook them again for another 20 minutes. I definitely like my peppers, with my stuffed peppers, I like them to be on the softer side, but that's definitely your preference. If you like your peppers to be a little bit on the crunchier side, you definitely don't have to cook them as long. But I like mine softer, so I cooked them twice, and I think they turn out delicious. I'm going to top these with a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then they're ready to go back in the oven. All right, I'm gonna do a mason jar salad for this one with my rotisserie chicken. I love mason jar salads. If you've been around my channel, you know I have tons of mason jar salad recipes, and I have a whole playlist of mason jar salads. So check that out over on my playlist list of playlists. So all kinds of mason jar salads. So I am gonna cut up the rotisserie chicken, and for this salad, I'm gonna have some cooked bacon that I pre-cooked, some shredded cheddar cheese, and some cucumbers. And then I'll add in my chopped romaine lettuce into these jars, and they stay fresh. These salads stay fresh all week. I absolutely love them. So they will be fresh for the whole week, and I could eat salads for lunch and dinner every day. I am a huge salad fan. So I love to make these ahead for the week so that I don't have to pull out all of the ingredients every single day. I can just pull out my mason jar and it is ready to go. I have my cooked bacon. I love bacon with salads. It is super good. And I love a little bit of cheese on the salad also, and cheddar is one of my favorites. So I have the cheddar cheese, and then I have my diced up cucumber. Cucumber is so refreshing, and another one of my favorite salad toppings. But you can definitely customize this to add whatever your favorite salad toppings are. I'm going to add in my chopped lettuce, and you can use any kind of lettuce you want. I'm using romaine, so I am just basically shoving it into the mason jar as much as I can fit, so you can really like pack it in there, and like I said, stays fresh all week. So I have my little salad dressing cups that I love, just disposable salad dressing cups. So I'm gonna put my ranch dressing in with the lid and then just put them right on top. And so everything is right there inside of my jar for salad. So I'm going to, so I'll put the lids on the jars, but when I have these for lunch, I just tip them over onto the plate. I take the dressing off, tip it over, and the lettuce comes out on the bottom, and then all the toppings come out on top of the lettuce and comes out perfectly. So these are really so fun to have and so convenient also. So I'm going to do some chicken salad lettuce cups, which is definitely one of my favorites. So I have my rotisserie chicken all nice and cut up and shredded from my rotisserie chicken. I have dried cranberries, which are so good, walnuts, celery. So I'm going to cut up my rotisserie chicken a little bit smaller, and then I will add everything else together, mix it up, and then I will have my little lettuce leaves as my lettuce cups. So chicken salad is so good. You can have it so many different ways. You can do it in lettuce cups, you can do it on croissant, on crackers, you can eat it plain, but definitely so many different ways for chicken salad, which I love. And for all of these recipes, you can really use any kind of cooked chicken. I just love rotisserie chicken because it has such a good texture. It's nice and moist, has a good flavor. So that's why I like to use rotisserie chicken. But you can definitely use any kind of regular cooked chicken. I love portioning this out so that it is ready to go for lunch or dinner. You just grab a container and everything is all ready. So this is so yummy and I just love it with the rotisserie chicken. Let me know which one of these rotisserie chicken recipes was your favorite in the comments. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of recipes, tons of meal prepping and meal planning as well, so make sure you click the subscribe button. I hope you have a really wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.